M to the A to the T to the H. Math is awesome. Mr. Ng's videos teach you a lot about math and to show your work, because if you don't show your work, then that's cheating, and we don't do cheating.
This is Mr. Ng going over the quiz on 10.5, quiz number 7, 1.1 to 1.4. This is version A, October 9, 2025. Remember, they should all be positive, and you're only using the digits 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so to get 6, I'm thinking of, I don't know, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm going to have to separate them because down here I need 5, and I only can use numbers 1, 2, and 3. So if I switch these, let's see if this works, then I can do something like this. 2 numbers that subtract, and the only number that's missing in this row is a 2. Then I'm missing a 3 and a 1. Question number 2 tells me to factor completely. So I have A is 2, B is 7, C is 6. A times C, so that'd be 2 times 6, which is 12. My B value is 7. I need 2 numbers that will multiply, but the same 2 numbers they add. So my factoring pairs for 12 are 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 4 and 3. There's my pair. Let's use a different color. Remember, they are splitting the middle term here, so we're going to have to add an x. This one always goes in the top left. This one always goes in the bottom right. Then you're thinking of things that multiply. Pay attention, the 2 is important where you place it. You cannot put the 2 here because nothing multiplies to get 3. So these are both even, so this is where I'm going to put the 2. 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 2, and x times 3 gives you 3x, and that gives us 6. Just tells me to factor, so my answers are on the outside. 2x plus 3, x plus 2. Does not matter the order in which you write those. So that's my answer. Let's go to the back side. Here it asks me to simplify. Notice this is subtraction. So note if there's a symbol there, which means I'm going to do a -1. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute that. -1 times 2 is -2. -1 times -3i is positive 3i. So I have 5 plus 3i, and I don't need the parentheses there, so I can just bring it down. Now I'm going to look for like terms. You're not doing opposites because you're on one side. There is no equal sign, so it's just 5 minus 2 is 3. They both have an I, so the number in front, pretend it's like an x, so 3x plus 3x would be 6x, or 6i in this case. I'm writing equal signs to show that this line is equivalent to the next line. Okay, question number 4. The temptation is A is 1, B is -10, and C is -16. Remember, you have to set that equal to 0. So add 16, x squared minus 10x plus 16 equals 0. Then we can get our A, B's, and C's. A is 1, B is -10, C is 16. Then we can put in our x box, A times C, so that would be 1 times 16. My B value is -10. You can list out all their factoring pairs. This is one a little tricky. They have to add up to -10, so I can't do 4 and 4 because that wouldn't add up to 10, but this one would. Now you can think of your positives and negatives, so they're both going to be negative. Negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. Negative 8 plus negative 2 or 8. Negative 8 minus 2 is negative 10. This one always goes in the top right. This one always goes in the bottom right. Top left, bottom right. This b term is being split. So you're going to add an x, so negative 8x minus 2x is negative 10x. Then you're going to have an x, this will be negative 2, and negative 8. So my answer for factoring is x minus 8, x minus 2. Now this one tells me to solve, so that means I have to set it equal to 0. X is equal to 8 and x is equal to 2 is our answer. Box your answers. See ya.